Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Tragic electrocution claims woman's life in Umran Diary. HANM raises alarm over rampant smuggling along Shillong Peninsula Dauki Road. Kitbok Nongsi clinches victory in Ringod Village singing competition. And HANM calls for inclusion of Khasi and Garo in Legislative Assembly proceedings. And now the news in detail. In a heart-wrenching incident, 52-year-old Edwina Lingdo Lingkoi lost her life to electrocution while foraging for wild vegetables in Umran Diary. Accompanied by her daughter, tragedy struck as Edwina inadvertently stepped on a broken electric wire left neglected on the ground. Her daughter cried for help, but unfortunately, when assistance arrived, Edwina succumbed to her injuries and had already passed away. Her lifeless body was swiftly transported to Nongpo Civil Hospital for necessary procedures. Lambor Mukhim Bina, the village headman of Umran Diary, who rushed to the scene, attributed the accident to a recently broken electric wire hanging perilously close to the ground. He emphasized the critical need for regular monitoring of trees in proximity to electric wires and urged authorities to implement precautionary measures to prevent similar tragedies in the future.
Jalong kubnelong bagi si makapon si leklau te medin suaba in ngan wan haying ru yo yang apa leklau ra te nga oi nali churu be mentas ngi bala mental khar arbaji tolong lak so thaj ma banlen yang to da pim lek ma pha te nga lek no nga marwei te ngong ni nga tangam susuk ra mer seme pene marwei ngong am ngali ai ja shai persama nang lawan ai ja persado piteng se lek lang kan ngong te nga maksun ai ja nang tahi nga lek lang kan bat i nang ilang bat ing le pom ngile yai marjan ni ken kuma i nga da ne me i da na te da ija spang ro long la kan yong ai me da lo me oi tang la le ja jam i da ba menin preten da la po ha ka ju kalat o i me yang yai ma pina ne oi the yai ma pina ne ma khon ngan yai nong ane na rum tang ba i ong tong tang pa nga khmong ra nga song tong ngan yai nong ana ne tang le nga la yai na nang i me yai na rum ken kumba ka nang ne thai hong tei thai yang tei te lai ayat ken te la la pe hatu khmat te ngai i ken ba iyai bang pe tu na din ma ngai i ndala i me i la pe khmat te nga kom le nga khmat kan yat ngami i sure masih sngo ba don ba la kam tu te don ba la long ba lompat kam tu te nga pa nga mot ba de ni la ba nga sngo tu ba de i me jong la bakal lompat ta kalat te ngam tip ni kom ni kalat nga mot ba de ubrio ba krup ubrio ken i me yang ta khalau tanggal mul bade ubri patangali mare wud ken tanggali mare wud pan ime ila thia to ko ila thia te ila cukur that tu tengah pada ngai ong kan ngali ngayang ma jerong kan nomor ime dan apa ngayang na jerong terus ime ru imkran ni retemo tengah isa bakal ame skading tengah lating susu ken tengah lating susu tengah masuk ong ni map mo ngali wat jingerap sai ke breu wali khot breu kan yo kali mare ken ngali mare wali khot breu te sebab kalau kacerai te kali mare no ken beli wat beri baniram te ka kendung na iwi ba masuk pan pun tengah ngok pun no sisnung ken ya baik long ngok pun in men na jong ta apa penting khubor setu ngok wan sene belam stau ime te le jong khamlik sur kan hajan te ndang ali siying ndang ali wat ikin men para pada lawan nga tu ka bang don ngalai alam iki breu beli arab ime ladon ki pulet imelong na to porti kran surai syukur tat yang tu tengah pada nak jingi i ba kami kadi kumtu tengah lewat jingi ram iki biru kai sumar rebit kan ya lejong bang poi perkat surai sumar rumah kita tak lewat jingi ram iki biru tengah kenduk tawi biru ngasupan phone bahkan keli ya macam iPhone mau bahkan phone ya Shillong tip bala lo kunta dan ala ong ka phone sto ni ulai men robot pelik nakalan yang tai lawan nang ta na lai jingi ram tengah ngali warna lam ta ki biru adon kulit ang ta adon ki pulit adon ki breu ken usainar man kepor mujudar usainar nomor man kepor ang ngilai bit man kepor ngilai mujudar tau usainar hakatai ngilai bet ki breu ki buni balik satama mujudar taba tip ken minin tam talas tu yogi milik cloud ken yabi ime Dia ba menin pati orang ayam mau elek ngamli curai yang ada pembeli depan elek marwai tengok ni ngam susuk rumah mesti pilih marwai ngong ap lang yang apa ngong. Ili wat chur. Iwat curi wat senyam tu kan. Ban lang.
Ribuan lang je.
Jangan dok lang khoi. Ime idibena. Jangan dok lang khoi. Sampu arsnam. Ang na ngapat tip kan ngaru da marba menin perbat jam tu ngai i dak khamat la je tolong kila khot lang yang asane ngam sunang syuk wan lang sane ta. Apawan ai para khadu bat i lok ikong kan. Lok tu menta. Yo kili yo pisya mo ngatang la ikum tu takam sukwa syuk ban lai. Anta dalawan makisane pada dam tu nyoba je iman ngifun yang aba hable postmortem ta kilawan no ken maki kala ino ya image ne marwe kilawan no tangi ong ni pi tu tangi awan no mangi ken nadin marwan kitu mangi wan no sene ken bangin wan pan amit amne pada ngata nga ap ka jingrai na ying ken mana bahir di ong nam syar ta bale postmortem tengah ap sekarang ki makin wan makin nang teken bodong ngaro nalu ratui ngal ong liara no siying mo nemar lalong bitangga maroi tang tu hadir sawan kitu sedala nemar kancengai kadawan kitu ki bahing nasem temo lalong maroi tu kitu ki berus nong nang tu ken ki bayar lang ndak apa ki puliat kata tu ka jahal da bakar arbeje te kada adi kada poi ngai se berlikot bru te ni la bampor tres kentam tu kan nemar udan be apa kendo utuk lang apa untuk apa kendo ulong usak tu te usak pat tu dia utak usainar usakut atau buat trading dia bala hab itrai bala dikut itrai mari silik teman kapor judan rota dia mentas tayo kan ni kami alik khalau re ta kan ni kami alik khalau lik rama.
Members and leaders of HANM Riwar Mingi Circle Penursla have expressed grave concerns to the East Khasi Hills District authorities and the SDO Civil Subdivision Penursla regarding the unchecked illegal smuggling of food products and cattle to Bangladesh. They accuse authorities of being oblivious to these activities, which occur brazenly in daylight due to lax law enforcement. HANM has issued a stern warning, urging immediate action to curb smuggling. They caution that without government intervention, they will take assertive measures. The plea underscores the urgency for authorities to address the burgeoning smuggling menace along the Shillong Penursla Dauki Road.
Cái sinh năm Riwar Mingi Circle lại ship nó quay senjam bản phá đang chính thọ sẽ cả SDO Civil Subdivision Penursla lingba cái jing jelly palat cái jing khai ya ki marba mandi bản cụ tin thúc ya ki CD ya ki piat ya ki ktuk ki dry fish cái bao nhiêu bản ki pan bản quy ya ki marba mandi và ni hapo cái jela ni penur kam tinggi segoba kane cái jing yang dian jong kini marba mandi capo di Bangladesh di ka surok Penursla dauki kala wanra ya ka jing Khubor ya ki marba mandi hapo ka jelahi borokoi bat kala kta ro ya ki duk kisuk ya ki babala minski bam damit kani kala wanra ka jing jenjar babun ha kani ka jelah ini semua peran jur ya ka tenat beripik kumka polis department Bosco bat dui ni semua orang ba haba ni lasim ko kasenja ban mi sakpat ban pentip ciki polis Henry ni lapun ciki ban pentip ba kidon kum kita kijing khai bean ni ki marba mandi Henry ki polis kila kentai mandor ba ka dei kila omru ba ka dei ka kam jong ki custom Henry ni chuong tangani ba nakalia kasek lada kani yailom hagani karukom yim banse ban mi chakbat ban le dak batinge knan ba kari ba kajat benriu kan yomat se sisim ya kata ka jing duna jom kita ki jing Khubor dan marba mati siapa Khuborjylla namba ki baduk besuk ru kila ban afford ban thiet ya kita ki jing don kam ha ki kisan bi joki ha kendre ha katkum ka jing long menta ini kita senam bi bamta ban siapa lain den kot ter di rasa tak satang da kini ki kali kit boy kit masih bat kini ki kali bakit sini bakit ya kini ki piat ki ketung bat ki marba mati isngau banong ba ki nakaliam jong kaan ki le ayu ki don ki polis hangi ka don ke polis station penurusla kimla bantet akam ya kene jinglong jiman hatu kam kta mo kane ka jing Khubor jing marba mandi ya ka jela hi brokwe kam kta mo ya ki pai ba jong ka than baduk besuk hoi ki don kita ki bayi onong we.
In a testament to cultural resilience, Ringod village celebrated the 50th anniversary of its iconic singing competition. Amid spirited performances from over 50 teams across Khasi and Jantia, Kitbok Nongsit from Kanchi East and West Khasi Hills district emerged victorious, clinching the top spot and cash prize of 50,000 rupees. Marbalin Kshar from Smith secured the second place, walking away with 25,000, while Doi Medi Dengdo from Sora claimed the third spot, earning 10,000 rupees. Judged by seasoned professionals from All India Radio Shillong, Rilang, Ferdinand Khar and local luminary Khubor Maukon, the event showcased the enduring legacy of musical prowess in the region.
Hey ba bên ta là đập sang jing pi hun ngã siêu cầm trong su ca do nuốt ba la bam kun là đúc na li riu spa la riu sparu hun ca bangi dang im đập sang jing ya shu banyo ya kabakwa Shillong ka tao và chính sống cả là đu ngàn ong ya phi ca way vàng in năng kiêu ăn tết ban say là hi ta mat yong ya phi ca bên mong wat nôm ngao ai ai ban bha ca na wen oh piat no jing long asa ya jing shisha.
The Hnyotrap Achik National Movement (HANM) made a significant demand on the 14th of February, Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, to introduce the use of Khasi and Garo languages during sessions. President Lamprang Kharbani emphasized that, effective from the 16th of this month, members should be permitted to debate budget and finance matters in these indigenous languages. This initiative coincides with the upcoming budget session starting on the same date, slated to last approximately a week.
9 September yung sunam jakat prala pas ya resolution daga Government of Meghalaya Khuborjylla yung kasokar MDA 1 report tehenrai hadu kini kisngi nalyang yung kasokar India kampat Samla ai kana kono ka signal balano en kentup no ya tin khasi batkaro syakit pra jong garti sisa dari India. Tinamar kata kum kaseng kabal debuan penlong jengki kalai tarik membar jong sunam berang sudap bangila semai ngila kular syaka ri benriu ba nginom song thaj ni yai budin ba kat hadu ba indayo. Timar takas ngi ngilawan hangne bad uspeka nama ngitip syai ba ka dorbar ka session kanlong la sisngi kan dotrek ngila kentu ya uspekar ba nado ka khandreu torek nang ne shakmat ba ka Meghalaya Assembly bat baro ki reu pungot ki MLA jong ka jala Meghalaya kum ka dak jong ka jing pen I se ka sarkar India watla kam sempat la implement ya kana ka jing kwa jong ka jala Meghalaya ka jing kwa jong ka jak pen reu ba nado ka khandreu torek nang ne shakmat kat badon bar ba UMLA karo hapkan karo UMLA khasi uhapan kan khasi barada UMLA karo sutu ijin kan khasi ka sarkar Meghalaya kan haban bo daw nong translate ada ukaro sutu ijin kan khasi da khasi sutu kan karo ka kamram jong ka sarkar Meghalaya lengba uspika di habbo nong translate knang wat pen I sya ka perthai pen I sya ka sarkar India ba watla pimpat recognize yang nekten rai mangingil kum ka jala kum lanai kum ka jak penreu hapan pen kamno bat nila dawaro na uspikar ba phi kum kinru pungot kino to an nang pen kam ma phi ha assembly nang e ki HNM adalhi bat nila ya thuru hai uspikar ba ke HNM ka long ready ni abstang ya ka kuman batmai enda ka sarkar India kala phom ni ka batmai ke HNM long ready ba ngin lek ban ya ki da khamtang e bat nila thu hi ha uspikar ba nyimton por ban suiki jai kumbang eki mana kene ka sit in demonstration haring larai ba daga jeki kebajor daga chin kebe long kebajolong bat nilai de betu hai ba daga hunger strike ka HNM kala decide na banta ba kine ki jingdawa jong ka jak benreo kine ki jing kwa jong ka jala Meghalaya.
During a National Road Safety Month meeting convened on February 14, 2024 in parking lot opposite State Bank of India, SP Traffic East Khasi Hills K. Prasad delivered alarming statistics. In 2023, Shillong witnessed 46 registered accident cases resulting in 40 fatalities and leaving 6 individuals critically injured. Shockingly, in January 2024 alone, 6 lives were lost due to reckless driving of two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Attendees including Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, District Transport Officer R. Hinch and taxi drivers emphasized the urgent need for enhanced road safety measures to curb the escalating toll of avoidable tragedies on Shillong's roads.
What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents, and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, speed, over speeding, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect. They are not respecting each other's rights. They are asserting themselves that they are only the one who are paying the road tax, and they only are being allowed to exercise their wills. These are not the rules. In fact, in Meghalaya itself, we have numbers of casualties every year. In Shillong city, last year we have registered 46 cases. 46 cases, out of 46 cases, 40 deaths were reported and 15 persons were sustained grievous injuries. I am talking about 2024 in the month of January. Only we have registered 6 cases where we have lost 6 lives. And there are 13 grievous injuries. So that way you can imagine that how conscious we are while using the roads. We are always in hurry. We do not pay the importance for others, and we are overtaking in the busy markets, whereas Basimdi, he has already given the brief details, and it was a very nice expression where each and everyone should understand. Confronting to each other, it carry no meanings. Because traffic is generally who are on the road, they are performing their jobs, they are regulating and enforcing the laws. It is one who can make the difference. It is only the drivers. The drivers who sits carry a lot of responsibility. He doesn't carry his own life, but he carry the others also. So that he should understand that while using the roads, they should be careful. They should not understand that it gives a thrill while driving. Driving under the state of intoxication itself is a crime. And as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees. If your driving, if your consumption limit exceeds more than 30 mg in per 100 ml blood, you are unable to control as per the NDX. So it should not exceed beyond 30 mg. But I would say that while driving, please don't consume alcohol because you lose your judgment. When you are intoxicated, you do not know what is wrong and what is right. You are under the state of intoxication and you drive and you thrill yourself. That way you are endangering your life itself and endangering the life of others also. So learn to respect each other's rights so that the other road users are also there. As we have already given the pamphlets, we have distributed the pamphlets. The teenage driving is increasing. That we need to understand that what is their qualification limits.
But hindi ban le kaya ka. But bonsin ni siyamba habang imi na yen ni siya ni klan ni lech hikam and teng sosi ban ong ba habang imi na yen ni da bajing kemen ndai Khubor bawan hadin pada kalong ba na accident no nene naklan no kala banlong not necessarily the driver or the passenger, but it can also be a pedestrian kala banlong tang ya kinong nya kali nene kitu kinong nya kali giba ya tungku kali para mapi lene yik passenger nreiru kalong ru yakinong ya danti that's why we don't come ban penlong yikin program man kapor nang bangin pen kesil pia we need to conduct these programs very often because we need to kind of create this awareness that, you know, there is in our constitution of the country, constitution of India,
Led by Silbat A. Sangma, GSMC has filed a complaint with the government and DC of West Garo Hills regarding the poor quality construction of the PMGSY road from Babadham to Balupura. Sangma highlighted concerns about the road's deteriorating condition, citing visible scratches and flaws attributed to the construction company. Urging swift intervention, Sangma called upon authorities responsible for the PMGSY scheme to address the matter promptly.
Buri parau na PMGSY hazak ni korpini referring chum mamung kuba kakri kungiza indaki mamang khale alar gatra kho nimna khai galanga saba contractor guri masija ni gaman je ani department ang ko khapul thachina na simang mulmula tinga mamung kuno nang jono khale khakrek ba dungja mungbungja khalal gatra ngi ruda bidu nangaya banuba namsangi jak pode bosan nungje jok one buri parau na yang ba ru damsa dunga babadam bazaruni balu farau na dakang pa dunga wa damsa ada om shokat ken iya gi sa babram bazal ni buri farau na dakaba mamung kun khakrekan unja khale hal gatra khura pi dunaya obosan dungja yani bo ya cham yan hal gatra dungja mamung dungja nakari ruda pi dunanga ya mamung khakrek pa gi sabon je no chun chun ba chip ko bonja nagi khaga gali matputi galangai jok ya
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.